In the instruction panel, on number 1, it is the left hand joystick controller that controls the movement of the player. On number 2, it is the right hand joystick controller that is responsible for the rotation of the player. Number 3 and number 4, respectively, for left and right hand controllers, are responsible for the grabbing of all the grabbable objects. Number 5 and number 6 are responsible for clicking every UI elements on the game. Before starting the game, there are two key elements that you need to follow in the game. First is the pink marker that defines the player's next position. Second is the objective panel in the player HUD that consists of all the objectives in an orderly manner. There will be objectives that are completed and objectives that are yet to be done. So let's start the game.
Reach the marker and sign the work permit. Take the work permit before wearing the spiket. Take the work permit before wearing the spiket. Please wear the SCBA kit before handling tools. Reach the dress marker and wear the SCBA kit. Pick up the wrench and gas detector and keep it in the toolbox. Access denied. Access denied. Open the door and carry the toolbox with you. Go to pink marker and keep the toolbox there. Check the gas reading on the detector and try to fix it. Close the valve.
Gas leakage detected. Gas leakage detected. All personnel return to safety. All personnel return to safety.
Take the loader from the stand. Put Lodo into the valve. Take wrench and tighten the screw. Open the valve. Recheck the gas reading on detector. Simulation completed.